Holy shit, 8 o'clock in the morning, so fucking loud. Of course, there was no fire. At least I got up early, it's 9 o'clock now, I've already eaten and I'm pretty much ready to go skate. I thought I hit an alarm button or so. Trump is everywhere, what the
At daddysportshop.com.
So we're about to go skate downtown today. Just having a good time, skate around downtown. Gonna skate a couple of nice spots. The spot for today, a perfect wheelie table. At least first try.
First try twice in a row.
Nice, thank you. I think we're over for now. Let's go eat. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Put the camera in his face.
What an asshole behind us.
He tried to speed up so I couldn't get over.
Just took a nice photo here. Thanks so much. Yeah. We're just at another perfect wheelie table. Because Danny and me, we love wheelie tables. Let's get like 2 tricks here.
Let's try because security's on point, dude. Right before we got here doing it, and we were passing them, and we seen it like, oh, they're skating it too, so we might as well go skate it.
What happens is over time, it
Hey, no problems.
Thank you.
That was such an awesome day. Met Casey Beckler and Sam Tabor in the evening. We filmed the whole session. Definitely go check out Sam Tabor's channel. Link in the description. He should upload a whole video about that in like 2 days or so. I don't know when. He's gonna go to Cali, so he'll be really busy. That was a short vlog again. Tomorrow I'm gonna do some sightseeing stuff. I'm gonna meet Sam Vestal tomorrow. It's gonna be an amazing day. Amazing skateboard day again. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please click the like button. Leave a comment below and we'll see each other tomorrow. And now it's your turn. One try to beat me.